Hello, we are continuing with surface areas and volumes, and right in front of you, you have a wonderful question. You will learn a lot from this question. I'll read the question for you. The cost of painting the total surface area of the cone is 25 paise per centimeter square is 176 rupees. Find the volume of the cone if its slant height is 25 centimeters. Now, there is a cone. For this cone, HB the height, R is the radius and L is the slant height. What is slant height given to you? 25 centimeters. What else do you require? You require radius of the base of the cone and you require the height of the cone. Now for that, we first of all, we have to understand how much is the total surface area. The total surface area of the cone is the cost of painting of total surface area is the cone is 25 paise per 176 rupees per centimeter square is 176 rupees. So cost of painting is 25 paise per centimeter square. Now 25 paise should be written as 25 by 100 rupees per centimeter square. Why I am converting in rupees? Because the total cost is given in rupees. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 rupees per centimeter square. Now for 1 centimeter square, cost is 1 by 4. So for 1 centimeter square, the cost is 1 by 4 rupees. And if the cost is 176 rupees, how many centimeter square is the area? This is the question. So let us cross multiply. So question mark into 1 by 4 is equal to 176 into 1. So therefore question mark is equal to 176 into 4, which will be 7, 6 4s are 24, 4, 2 carry, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30, 0, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. So question mark is equal to 704 what? Centimeter square, 704 centimeter square. Now that is the total surface area. So therefore the total surface area is 704 centimeter square. See, first your job is to find how much area is that. He has given you the rate. He has given you the total figure. So from the total figure and the rate, you find out the surface area. All right. So if I say one pen cost is 2 rupees and the total cost I got is 10 rupees. Then how many pens do you have? What will you do? You will divide 10 by 2 and you will say you got 5 pens. It is just like that. The cost of 1 centimeter square is 25 paise, that is 14 rupees. The total cost is 176. So what you are supposed to do? You have to divide 176 divided by 1 by 4. This 4 will move up 176 into 4 and that comes to 704. It is as simple as such. So what I got is the total surface area of the cone. Now what is the total surface area formula? It is a pi RL plus pi R square. Pi RL is the curved surface area, pi R square is the area of the base, is equal to 704. Now is there anything you can take common? Yes sir, you can take pi R as common and so it is L plus R and that is equal to 704. Now pi is 22 upon 7 into R we do not know, L we know. It is 25 plus R is equal to 704. Any cancellations are there? You do it. R into 25 is 25R. R into R is R square. So this you have. And meanwhile, this 7 will go to the other side. 704 into 7 by 22. 22 ones are 22 threes are 66. 70 minus 66 is 4. 44 means 22 twos are 44. So 25R plus R square is equal to 7 twos are 14, 1 carry. 7 threes are 21 plus 1, 22, 224. Now you can see you have a quadratic equation in terms of R square. So let us write this quadratic equation. R square plus 25R minus 224 is equal to 0. I need to take the factors for 224. Just now you multiplied 32 and 7. So you write R square plus 32R minus 7R minus 224 is equal to 0. I will take R common. When I take R common, it is R plus 32 minus 7 common. R plus 32 is equal to 0. Now what is common again? R plus 32 is common. R plus 32 common if you take into R minus 7 is equal to 0. So r plus 32 is equated to 0, or r minus 7 is equated to 0. R is equal to minus 32 is not applicable because radius can't be negative. Alright, so radius can't be negative, not applicable. So we'll say r is equal to 7 centimeters. See, once you got the base radius, you have to now find the value of the height, because slant height is given to you. Now I will write we know that L square is equal to R square plus H square. That is the relationship between slant height, base radius and the height of the cone. So L square is 25 square is equal to R square is 7 square is equal to plus H square. Now 25 square is 625 minus 7 square is 49 is equal to H square. So 625 minus 49 will be 576, and that is equal to what? H square. So H is equal to square root of 576, which is equal to what? 24. 24 square is 576. So you got the value of H. You already have the value of R. Now what you want? Now what you want is the volume of the cone. So let me write the volume of the cone formula. Therefore, volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi R square H. So it is 1 by 3 pi. Pi is how much? 22 upon 7 into R square. What is R square? R square is 7 into 7 into, what is the value of H? H is 24. Any cancellations? 3 ones are, 3 eights are. Further any cancellation? 7, 7 cancel. What is it you are left with? 7 into 22, that is equal to 154 into 8. What is 154 into 8? 8 4s are 32, 2, 3 carry. 8 5s are 40 plus 3, 43, 3, 4 carry. 8 ones are 8 plus 4, 12. So 1232, and you are dealing with what? Volume. And units are what? Centimeters. So 1232 centimeter cube is the volume of the cone. Alright. So in this way you have to do the problem. So make sure you write that. That is a little bit congested over there because of the space problem. I am sure when you are copying in the notes, you will pause the video, understand the problem, then you will copy. So give yourself some time. Meanwhile, we will go for the next question. Next question, children. From a circle of radius 15 centimeters, let me draw the circle for you. There is a circle whose radius is how much? 15 centimeters. A sector with angle 216 degrees. So let me draw a sector. Alright. Now, right, this is 216 degrees. What is the radius of the circle? 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. A sector with angle how much? 216 degrees is cut out. Okay, so you have cut this. Now, what I am going to do? I am going to fold this. I am cutting this. I am going to fold this. These radii, these binding radii, I am going to take and I am going to fold this so as to form a, when you fold, what will happen? Imagine it will be a cone. Alright. So, once you fold this, it will become a cone. It will become a cone. And this is the circumference of the cone. The circumference of the cone is equal to what? The length of the sector. Right? We know that circumference of the cone is equal to length of the sector. Right? Now let me call the base radius here as A. Here the capital radius is the radius of the circle. Now what is the formula for the circumference of a cone? Circumference of a, not cone, of the base of the cone, base of the cone. It's circular and the formula is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r. What is the length of the sector formula? Now length of the sector is given to you by the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi capital R. This capital R represents the radius of the circle. Now 2 into pi into, what is the radius? We do not know. This radius we are supposed to find. And theta is 216 by 360 into 2 into pi into r. What is the radius of the circle? It is 15. So any cancellations are possible? 2 pi cancel. And further any cancellation? Yes. 36 6 are 216, 36 10s are 360. So radius is equal to 6 into 15 by 10. Any cancellations? 2 3s are 60, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 3s are. So R is equal to 3 3s are 9 centimeters. So with the help of this, I could get the radius of the base of the cone is equal to 9 centimeters. Next, what am I supposed to find? I am supposed to find the volume. In order to find the volume, I must know the height of the cone. Now, to get the height of the cone, let me say this is the height of the cone. You know what is this? Now, this slant height is equal to slant height. You are folding. These two things you are folding. So, when you fold, slant height is equal to radius, which is equal to what? 15. Alright. Now, I will say, since radius of circle is equal to slant height of cone, we have L is equal to R is capital R is equal to what? 15. So now we have L which is equal to capital R. Now we are supposed to find the height. Now we know that height of the cone is equal to under root of L square minus R square. So height of the cone, what is L square? 15 square minus R square. What is R square? 9 square. So H is equal to 15 square is 225 minus 9 square is what? 81. And when you subtract, you will get 144. What is square root of 144? H is equal to 12 centimeters. So you got the height of the cone, you got the radius of the base of the cone. What else you want? You want to find the volume. See how important is to read the question thoroughly. When you see, try to read the question again and again. I am sure if you read for 5 times or 10 times, you will understand what you want. Once you know what you want, and if you know what formulas you are supposed to use, it is just spreadsheets, very easy. Alright, now volume of the cone. What is volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi R square H. It is always the third of the volume of the cylinder. So you have 1 by 3 here. 1 by 3 pi is 22 upon 7 into R square. What is R square? R square is 9 square. 9 square is 81 into H. What is H value? H value is 12. Any cancellations are possible? Of course, 3 1s are, 3 4s are. Further any cancellations? No sir. You have 22 by 7. Now 22 by 7 can be written as 3.14 into 81 into 4. What is 81 into 4? 4 1s are 4. 8 4s are 32, 324. So you can multiply 324 into 3.14. Point we will adjust later on. 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Again 3 4s are 12, 2 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 9, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 and 3 3s are is 9. So it is 6, 9 plus 4 13, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 7 3 10 11 1. It is 1017.36. So I will say 1017.36 centimeter cube is the volume of the cone which is obtained after taking a sector of a circle whose radius is 15 centimeters. So these problems, they appear to be difficult, but they are not difficult, they are different. Please keep it in mind, they are not difficult, they are different. So you need to just think differently. Alright, so I am sure you have understood. So meanwhile, you go through the problem carefully, pause the video, and then we will move for the next question. Okay children, I am sure they are tough questions, but you are focusing. The height of the tent is 9 meters. Let me draw the tent for you. There is a tent, base of the tent. Height of the tent is given as 9 meters. This is height, right? And the base diameter is 24. From here to here, it is 24 meters. So what will be radius? Radius will be equal to what? 12 meters. So this is also given. What is the slant height? L. We know that L is equal to under root of H square plus R square. So that is equal to 12 square plus 9 square. 12 square is 144, 9 square is 81. It is root of 225, that is equal to 15 centimeters. So I got the slant height as well. Now what is the question asked? What is the slant height? We answered. Find the cost of canvas cloth required if it costs 14 per square meters. We know the rate. In order to find how much canvas cloth is required, we need to find the curved surface area, not the base area, right? So Usually 10th will be hollow from inside. So curved surface area of cone, formula pi RL. Pi is 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius, how much you got? Radius is 12 into length. What is length? L is equal to 15 you got. All right, this is 15. So find the cost of the canvas cloth if the cost is 14 per square meter. So this is the curved surface area. So many what? I am not going to multiply because I can see 14 here. So many what? So many meter square is the curved surface area of the canvas. But what I want? I want to find the total cost. So cost per meter square is 14 rupees. So therefore cost of 22 by 7, cost of 22 by 7 into 12 into 15 is, so many meter square is 22 by 7 into 12 into 15 into 14. Now 7 ones are, 7 twos are. That's what I'm waiting for. So the total cost is 22 into 2 is how much? 44, and 15 into 12 is how much? 180. So let me multiply 180 into 44. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 ones are 4, plus 3 is 720. So again 0 to 7. So it is 0 to 9, 7. So cost, the total cost of the canvas is 7,920 rupees. So two things are there. One is slant height we found out. Next is the total cost. And total cost is 7,920. So I am sure children, you are following. So keep practicing, and in the next class we will try to do another variety related to cones. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.